Hey friends, if the option to switch to next picture is grayed out in Windows Spotlight, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Okay, the first solution is to check the internet connection. Why? Because Windows Spotlight changes with the internet connection. So open internet and uh, type fast.com and hit enter. This will help you check the internet connection speed. The next one is to re-register the Windows Spotlight option. Now we have, I don't want to suggest other solutions because when you re-register Windows Spotlight, it covers at least 4 more solutions. So I will share a script with you. Simply copy the script, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and open PowerShell as an administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.